Hello, my name is Carter Whalen, and this is my vulnerability video. My group decided to do the CVE 2017-0144 vulnerability, which is Windows SMB Remote Code Execution vulnerability. Basically allows remote attackers to execute arbitrary code via crafted packets. So we're going to pull up two things. One on our Kali machine, the terminal, which is our attacker, and then also a command prompt on our Windows 7 machine. And we are going to do IP config to pull up our IP address right there. Because we're going to need that. On our Kali machine, we are going to do MSF console to start up our Metasploit framework, which can help us do our exploit here. We are going to look up the one we will be wanting to use right here. And you can see a few different options, but we're going to scroll up and use this one, the Eternal Blue one specifically. And we can see the 0 right here as an identifier. So we can do use 0 to specify that one, and you can see our exploit Windows SMB Eternal Blue right there, that this is the one we are using. I will show some options here. So there's three that we're going to be using. There is our host, that is the target host. There is lhost, which is the listening address, and then also the L port, which is the listening port. The target is automatic because both machines are on host only network, so they can only see each other. So after showing options, we are going to set our hosts at 192.168.56.101, which is our IP address of the Windows machine that we pulled up just a second ago. Now we have that set. We're also going to set up lhost, which is the listening host, which is the Kali attacker machine. And I already have the IP address of that, which is only different by one number. So that is going to be set. The last thing we will be setting is the listening port to 5555, because this is a open port that nodes available and able to use without issue. Now all we have to do is run, and we wait for Metasploit to do its job. It's going to search for the our host IP address that we sent out earlier. And you can see here, it found it, and that the host is likely vulnerable. Then it does a scan and identifies that the target is in fact vulnerable, which then it sends out its packets to gain access. Now I can show that it is successfully connected by connecting to the shell. And you can see here that is obviously a Windows command line, which wouldn't make sense being in Kali Linux. So that means we have access to our Windows machine like we wanted. Can also do whoami to show that we are on the authority system. And also I can show that right here, the 192.168.56.101 is the exact same IP address as the Windows system over here on the right. So we have successfully completed the vulnerability exploit. We've entered the system like we wanted and have gained access to the Windows machine. And thank you very much for watching.